I could not recommend enough working with Duquesne SBDC. I was terrified of the idea of building a business. I just didn't really think I had it in me to do all the financials and to build how you make this business succeed as a business. I've been an independent contractor forever, and that's not the same thing at all. And I have to say the Duquesne SBDC took the sting out of it. Actually made it fun. I'm not kidding. You gave me the ability to look at this idea of a business, like turn it around and look at sort of the back end of it and say, okay, this is how it can work. Now let's make that happen. The Duquesne SBDC, I can't even tell you, it so helped me with something that scared the living daylights out of me. I don't feel like I'm alone. I feel like I have partners. It's amazing. I can't say enough.